Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to turn on Safe Search and lock it on Google. So guys, first thing is just simply go to google.com, and now on the bottom right corner of the screen, you should be able to see here settings. Now here guys, just simply go for search settings. Now here on the search settings under content, you should be able to see here safe search. So just simply click on it and you will have here two options. You can either filter, which help filter out explicit images, text, and links, and you can have blur. So guys, I recommend going for the filter, and from there you should be able the safe search on Google. Now guys, in order for you to lock it, I have here three methods. So first one is through Google Family Link. So guys, if you manage a family group on Google, you can lock safe search settings through the Google Family Link. And you can also enforce a safe search on your network router, ensuring it's always on for all devices connected to your network. And you could also check for lock. So if your safe search settings is locked, you'll see a lock icon at the top right corner of the safe search settings page. There you go. See ya.